Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this volatility 75 index strategy, and this strategy is one of the strategies you can use to scalp, and it works for both buy and sell. You just have to follow the rules of the strategy and it will be good. So I'm showing you guys settings for the strategy, but before I do that, I first have to explain to you guys how you can make use of the strategy to make money, and then I will be diving into how you will use this strategy. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is we are on 1 minute time frame, and we are going to be using the 1 minute time frame for the strategy. Okay, and for the zoom level, when you zoom out completely, we are using the third zoom level. Okay, so that is the zoom level we are going to be using for the strategy. Now, what are the things you need to do? What are the things you need to see when you want to take a trade with this strategy? Now, these are the things you need to see before taking a trade with this strategy. Now, you want to make sure that you check the trend. Okay, the first thing you take note of is that you want to know the trend. Now, note the trend that is going to be the work of the Bollinger Bands. Now, let me show you guys the indicator that we are going to need: the parabolic SCR, the envelope, and the Bollinger Bands. That's the indicator we are going to be using. Now, the parabolic SCR is the one that's going to give us the trend of the market, and the Bollinger Bands and the envelope is going to be the one to be our confirmation for entries. Now, you check the market trend with the Bollinger Bands. Now, once you see the Bollinger Bands, below the price, that means that the price is buying. And if you see the Bollinger Bands above the price, that means the price is selling. As simple as that, guys. So that is what you want to take note of. So you just have to follow the trends of what the Bollinger Bands show you. Okay, the Bollinger Bands show you the sign that you want to be looking for. If you be looking for a buy, you buy. And if the Bollinger Bands show you that you should be looking for a sell, you sell. So once you confirm the trends in the chart, this is the parabolic SCR. Once you confirm your trend with the parabolic SCR, then the next thing you want to do is, if you are looking for the indicator, we don't want to give you a confirmation entry. Now, what are the confirmation entries you need to see to take any trade using this confirmation entry? Now, we are making use of our support and resistance and our indicator window 1. Now, you want to make sure that you see this envelope line, this Bollinger Bands right here, moving inside the envelope line. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is, whenever you see the envelope line touch back the whenever you see the Bollinger Bands touch the envelope line, you look for a buy. Same as this area right here, the Bollinger Band is moving in within the envelope line. When it touch, then that's when you want to be looking for a buy. Now, the second thing you do is you use your line right here to mark out your area of support and your area of resistance. Okay, that's how you can be making money easily. Okay, so whenever the price break a high, then you wait for the retest and take your trade at the retest. And whenever, so this is what I'm talking about. Whenever the price break a high, wait for the retest and enter your trade. Okay, so as simple as that. Let me show you guys what I just explained. So whenever you see price break high, wait for the retest, enter your trade at the retest, wait for it to break again, mark out your retest, wait for it to retest back to that area, you will go for your trade. Whenever it break, wait for the retest and enter your trades. So as simple as that, guys. So that is for a buy trades. And for a sell trades, once you confirm the Bollinger Bands is moving downwards, then the next thing you want to do is, you want to make sure that you see the Bollinger Bands. Whenever it come back and touch, whenever it's moving inside and come back and touch the red envelope lines, that's where you want to go for a sell. That's what you go for a sell. Now, make sure that this happens right at the support area. Okay, it happens at your support area. That is when you are going for your sell. When it happens at support area, go for your sell. As simple as that, guys. So this is another opportunity for a trade. When you wait for the price to break a low for a sell, then wait for the retest at the low, and wait for the Bollinger Bands as well to touch back the red envelope line. When this happens, that's when you want to go for your sell. As simple as that, guys. So I don't want this video to be long, so that is the rules you have to follow whenever you take a trade with these strategies. Very simple and a straightforward strategy. So let me show you guys settings for the strategy. Now, first thing you want to do is just go to your indicator windows and then click on main window plus access for your parabolic SAR. Now, for the properties, the step is 0.003, maximum is 0.030. I'm using the blue color, so click on done when you set it up. Now, moving on to the next indicator. Now, to add this envelope up, you are first have to add your maybe your stochastic oscillator, your RSI, your momentum, your MACD. Just add one so that it will be on your indicator window 1. Now once you add it up, then you can now add your envelope line up. Now the place for the envelope line is 5, shift is 1, the distribution is 0.100, method is smoothed, apply to close, and upper and lower band, just use any color of your choice and then click on done. So once you do that, then the envelope line is going to be on your indicator window 1, so you can now delete any indicator that you add up, so you can now delete it up. Now for the last indicator, which is going to be the Bollinger Bands, so the period is 11, shift is 2, the division is 0.100, apply to close, and this time I'm using the black color, so using the color of your choice. So click on done when you set it up, and this eye chart is going to look like. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification, so when I post a video, it will surely notify you. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.